Hello. Now we have reading. Unit 5. Lesson 3 and 4. The subject is space. In this reading, you will hear something about space and you will get some information. Let's start. Space, our new window on the world. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the thousands of stars? Our solar system is only a very small part of the universe. It consists of a star and 8 planets in orbit around it. The third planet looks blue and very beautiful from space. The star is the Sun, and the third planet from the Sun is our home, Earth. Human beings have lived on Earth for many thousands of years, but only half a century ago, something new happened. We made our first journey into space. In 1957, the Russians launched Sputnik, a small satellite that orbited Earth and sent back radio signals to us. Their first astronaut followed in 1961. Then, in 1969, 2 Americans flew to the moon. Astronauts have been to the moon several times since 1969, but humans have never traveled beyond it. Instead, we have explored the planets with unmanned spacecraft, which we have sent all over the solar system. For example, we now know that Mars has water, and so humans could perhaps live there. However, space travel is very expensive, and some people have always believed it is a waste of money. Why are we looking at other worlds when we have so many problems here? They say, let's use the money to change the world that we already have. They forget one thing. Work in space has already changed our world enormously. This has happened through satellite communications. In 1960, an American satellite sent back the first weather pictures to Earth. In 1962, another started sending television pictures around the planet. Since then, we have launched thousands of satellites to do many different jobs. Most importantly, there are now nearly 200 communication satellites in orbit, 36,000 kilometers above Earth. These send TV signals around the world, day and night. They bring us great events as they happen. They bring us people's faces, sad or happy. They bring us closer to each other. We humans share this one small home and must learn to share it well. Satellite communications are helping us to do exactly that. Copy and complete the time charts. Space travel. What happened in the following years? Since then, 1957. Now 1961, 1969. The Russians launched spotting. The first Russian astronaut went to space. Americans flew to the moon. Humans have traveled to the moon several times. Have sent humans have traveled to the moon several times. Have sent unmanned spacecraft all over the solar system. Satellite communications. What happened in the following years? Now, 1960, 1962. Since then. The first weather pictures from an American satellite. First television satellite. Have sent nearly 200 communications satellites into space. This should be your answer. Answer it. We have got to the summary. Developments in space travel and satellite communications. In 1957, the Russians launched spotting. In 1960, we had the first weather pictures from an American satellite. In 1961, the first Russian astronaut was sent to space. Since 1962, we have sent nearly 200 communications satellites into space. Since 1969, humans have traveled to the moon several times, have sent unmanned spacecraft all over the solar system. And now, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for listening and watching. See you in the next coming videos. Goodbye.